Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the error 0x80070490 corruption in the CBS manifest. Let's begin. First of all, this update error happens due to corruption in the CBS, also known as the component-based servicing. Now, by running a simple command called sfc scan now, this will fix it by replacing those corrupted entries from a trusted source. Go over here, so you can start doing the sfc scan now. Click on Start on your Windows Start button, cmd, command prompt, run as admin. Then this will show up in your screen. You can now start sfc scan now. And once you hit enter, it will scan your computer for any potential or damaged files. As you can see, it's still going on. It might take a few minutes. Once this hits 100%, it will show a message in here that Windows has successfully found and fixed those corrupted files. You can now then click X, restart your computer. Since all of those corrupted files has been restored and fixed, then you should no longer have this problem once you've booted your computer. And that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.